had a good journey from Dawson and we've just arrived here at Chicken. And that coming round is the gold dredge, not used anymore. And we're just going to have a walk into the cafe now, see what town breakfast is tomorrow, etc. Here we are at Chicken, and that is the Chicken Creek Outpost where we're having breakfast tomorrow. And we get a couple of caps, I think. Okay. There's the Chicken again, back end of the Chicken and the dredge. I'll leave it at that. Okie doke. Bye. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Which means I have to nuke it.
Alright.
Let me see.
What's your Christian name?
Do you like warm soup or hot soup?
Hot soup.
Okay, so I'm gonna nuke it.
Thank
Okay.
you. How long have you been here?
29 years.
29. And what's your name?
My name is Susan.
Susan. Just for the record, Susan, that. This is the place we're stopping here tonight. Population, I should imagine, is less than 70, but still. This is it. This is where we're stopping. At this location. That's the road we came in there for that vehicle's coming down. And that's the new bridge they've built here, because that has collapsed 2 or 3 times, causing major problems here. Okay, that's it. That's the gold panel here at Chicken. We're stopping in room C around the back, and as I've said, it's very, very nice actually. You wouldn't have thought so for where we are, but it is. It's a very nice place. That is the road we came in. And there's Mum. Good morning, Monday, the 11th September. Bit different this morning than it was yesterday, very misty. We're off, leaving Chicken this morning, making our way to Tok. There's Pam standing in the roadway. As you can see, they're flattening the road surface out here, which they've been repairing for quite some while now. Done the bridge and 3 mile of paved track. Okay. That's where we stopped the night. That's about it. Okay. That's the gold dredge there. I think that's where we're going to
Oh,
look.
it says Pedro Dredge, so it must be Pedro
Yeah.
Dredge.
So as you can see, it's very well, it's misty. It's typical morning you get here this time of year. Morning again, the 11th. This is the place which has not changed one bit. As you can see, a lady called Susan owns this, all 3 of them. Been here 29 years, she said. There's the Chicken.
There's a big lorry coming in.
It's to the side, yeah. There's a wagon coming down now, so I'll just leave that at that. Okay. This is a new bridge they've obviously built since we last came to Chicken. And you can see Pam standing on that there. It moves around quite a lot, which she doesn't like. I'm just spinning out there to the right, showing the road we will be going out on in the next 10 minutes. Bye. Good morning. Monday, the 11th of September. Making our way from Chicken now. Just left Chicken, making our way to Tok. Quite misty. Just keeping our fingers crossed that it does lift as we travel along the Taylor Highway. Pam's videoing, and we're still following the pilot car. They've redone all this road by all accounts since we came for 3 miles, and it looks as if the mist is lifting now. Okay Mum, that'll do, thank you.
This is just a little bit of what your dad's driving through. I had the worst roads yesterday, but your dad certainly got the worst weather today. It's not very good at all, and the lady at the shop told us to watch out because you get lots of hunters. It's the last week of the hunting season. They are shutting up at the end of this week, but you get them on the roads and they just come out on the 4-wheel bikes, and she said just watch what you're doing, so we are. Okay, that's enough for now, bye.
Just taking a shot of the roadway here, which indicates that the paved road has stopped here just at the bottom, and we go back onto the gravel. And I do apologise for all the jerking up and down, but it's not the camera or the operator, it's actually the road surface, which is very uneven, and every bit of movement is exaggerated. I'm sorry about that, okay?
Just a long straight road, but you can in the distance see the scenery isn't as dramatic after leaving Checking as it is before. There aren't the hills and valleys that you see, and the road doesn't meander around them, so it's slightly different, but the colour is still there, but you can see all around that it's barren, burnt. From that side seems to be picking up, and there's a lot of green trees that side, but this side, if I slowly come round, you can see
of fire damage,
a lot of burnt trees. But I'll concentrate back on the road now, and we're back on some paved. Okay, bye.
I was just videoing as we're coming down the road from Checking to Tok. As you can see, the colours here are just as effective as those on the other side travelling from Dawson to Checking, albeit the land layout is substantially different. We've still got some very good scenery.
Take this bit as we're coming round the bend, because the colours here on this hill are so beautiful. Can't explain to anybody who hasn't seen them for themselves just what the colours are like.
We're travelling on the Taylor Highway from Checking to Tok, and just coming up on the left here you will see a number of vehicles parked there, and that's an indication that the local hunters are out because it is hunting season. We're something like 11 miles from Tetlin Junction, and from there it's an additional 12 miles to Tok itself. So in total it's somewhere around 23 miles we've got to travel before we reach our destination. And just focusing in there you can see the lovely colours and foliage on the side of the highway. Okay, get a bit more later. As you can see, there's still very little traffic on the Taylor Highway today, and it's usually like that, or should I say it's been like that every time we've visited the Yukon. And this is the best time to travel, in our opinion. It's quieter, there's less people around, and the scenery is so spectacular with the colours which are changing with winter falling upon Alaska and Canada. Pam's done exceptionally well driving over the last 2 days. The journey from Dawson City to Tok is something like 180 miles. I've driven something like 30 miles of that maximum, so Pam's driven at least 150 miles, and she's done very, very well. It's been, for me, it's been so relaxing. It's been absolutely fantastic. I've been able to sit here and just use the camcorder and take what views that I've wanted to. And as I've said on many occasions, you can stop anytime you want because there's a view everywhere you look, just like the one you can see now in front of us. It's been a dull day, but you can't take anything away from the scenery which we have surrounding us, and it's been like this actually from the minute we left Dawson City yesterday. It's very good. Just taking a quick shot of where your mum's just driven, and if my memory serves me right, I took this shot in 209, yeah, the last time we travelled this way, and there was a lot of fire damage then. It's a very good scenic shot of where we travel from, and that's it. I'll go back and leave it at that. Okay, we're very close now to Tetlin Junction, which is only 12 miles from Tok itself. This is in fact the junction, Tetlin Junction. We will be turning right here, making our way towards Tok. Anyway, we're turning right now and we're making our way towards the small community of Tok. Just down the road here on the right is another sign which gives the mileage indication to Tok, Fairbanks and Anchorage, and there it is. Okay, leave it at that. We are approaching the bridge which runs over the Tok River, and that takes us into Tok itself, this road. As you can see, it's a very, very straight road, no deviations whatsoever. We travelled this way, exactly this way, in 2014 when we came from Beaver Creek. And the sight we had of the snow on the mountains here and the cloud base was one to behold. It was beautiful. It was so unreal. But that was 2014. Different scenery now, very pleasant, but obviously not as effective as it was in 2014. We won't be long now before we reach our destination. We've had an excellent journey, and it's helped stopping overnight at check-in. We're coming up to where we're stopping now for the night here in Tok, which is Young's Motel, and it's right by Fast Eddie's restaurant, where we'll be having some lunch or tea before we settle in for the night. Here we are, Pam's just turned in now, and we've arrived, as you can see, Young's Motel, Fast Eddie's restaurant. Okay, bye.